time and perseverance. So yes, on page number 6, editorial page, a small editorial regarding the NASA's Mars 2020 mission. Now it is very important, you need to understand that some of the planetary missions, space missions, probes, they are of that much significance that they have huge impact on the further such missions by any country or that particular agency. Okay, so such kind of question can be asked in GS3 paper, science and technology section, mains examination, and that can be also asked in prelims examination from science and technology section. Okay, so here we are discussing about the significance of Mars 2020, NASA's Mars exploration let's say project. Now you have to understand some basics, that when it was launched and how the touchdown happened. So it was launched from Cape Canaveral, Florida on 30th June 2020, and recently the rover of this mission landed on Jezero crater on the Mars on 18th February 2021. Okay, why it was launched in this date, particular date, and you need to know that there are other such two missions launched, Mars missions launched in June month 2020. So this June 2020 is considered as Mars window, wherein Mars was much near to the Earth at that time, and that's why three missions, one of them is this one, Mars 2020, other was Hope mission by UAE, and third one is Tianwen 1 of China. So there can be question in prelims examination, surely there can be question either for match the following, Mars 2020 by NASA, Hope by UAE, and it's we can say it's space agency, Tianwen by China. Okay, so yes, and this Mars window concept, June month 2020. Now the significance of this landing on the surface by the Perseverance rover of this mission. Okay, this is very important. For the first time it is landed on the surface of Mars. As we have seen in Mars orbiter mission of India, for the first time it entered into the orbit of Mars successfully in the first attempt by any country. However, we could not land on the surface of Mars, there was problem there. However, now the NASA has been successfully landed, this Perseverance rover of NASA, USA has landed. Now, why this is a significant landing? So there are two aspects or difficulties in landing over the Mars. First and foremost is that this is considered as critical phase. After entering into orbit of Mars, there is only 11-minute window to land smoothly on the surface of Mars. Okay, so in this 11 minutes, we have to reduce the speed of that rover or that particular, let's say, probe. Okay, so entering the Martian atmosphere at about 20,000 km per hour, this is the speed in entering time. The mission had to bring the Perseverance rover to halt on the surface in just 7 minutes. Sorry, here the 7 minutes we are talking about, in just 7 minutes. And the 11-minute window is only available for, we can say, it takes 11 minutes for radio signal to reach Earth from the Mars. The mission control could not really guide the landing, and therefore the Perseverance probe had to use its own the camera on that particular probe for landing. Automatic landing, independent landing has been done, not the signal which is given from the Earth here. Okay, so the rover had to complete this process by itself. Now this is very important. Okay, and yes, earlier also NASA had sent such probes on the Mars. The earlier Mars expedition which carried the Curiosity rover. So Curiosity rover earlier in August 2012 it landed on the Mars surface, identified regions that could have hosted life. And that's why now you have to understand that the particular location has been used now. What is that location? Jezero crater. Now objectives of this, or the overall importance of the landing here and Mars 2020 is that first objective of the mission is to check about the ancient life on the Mars, whether there was signs of ancient life, and collect rocks and soil samples from its surface for further studies. Okay, the second aspect you have to understand is that why particular crater was selected. Why particular crater was selected. So yes, this Jezero crater, this was chosen, why? For study as based as earlier aerial survey that has been done on the surface Mars, and it was found that this crater was a part of delta. Okay, ancient delta, is home to ancient delta, and therefore there could be signs of life here. Clay minerals and carbonates were seen, making it the crater good place to search for life's existence. Okay, so the significance, why particular place was chosen. The next aspect is that this Perseverance rover had some of the experimental instruments. For example, there was to be test out technologies that could help sustain presence of human life on the Mars. For example, the technology which demonstrate extracting oxygen from the carbon dioxide in the atmosphere of Mars. Okay, so this is one thing. The second aspect is that this particular rover also carried helicopter named Ingenuity. Okay, the name is important, Ingenuity. So this Ingenuity helicopter is for demonstrating the flight on the Mars. Okay, so whether there can be flight on the Mars by such helicopter or such kind of probes in that particular atmosphere. Okay, so this is one thing. And lastly, we can say that the rover will study the geology there on the surface of the Mars. It will store the samples. However, this particular mission is not for bringing back these stored samples, soil samples. Rather, it will store those samples, and the further next mission by NASA will bring back those samples from that mission. Okay, so its function here is or the task here is to study that geology and the rock samples, soil samples, and store those samples in that particular place, and the next probes will bring them back. Okay, so this is the basic information about this Mars 2020 mission of NASA and the significance of this particular event. Okay. Yes, so such kind of prelims question can be asked here in your examination. So for practice purpose, practice prelims MCQ, which of the following is not one of the objective of Mars 2020 mission launched by NASA? So yes, search for life, signs of past life. Yes, this is one of the objective. Next, study the geology of Mars and bring back the soil samples. Now this is not the objective, bring back the soil samples, rather only store those samples. This is the objective. Bringing back will be the next task by the next probe. And yes, technology demonstration to extract oxygen from atmosphere, carbon dioxide, yes, this is one. And lastly, to demonstrate flight on the Mars. Yes, this is also one of the objective. So what should be the answer here? B, option B should be the answer. Okay.